In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a client from new lead to consultation scheduled in GoHighLevel. Keeping your pipeline accurate is essential for clear forecasting and smooth follow-up. We'll cover two approaches: a quick manual move for one-off updates, and a simple automation so leads move themselves as soon as an appointment is booked. First, the manual method. Log into your GoHighLevel sub-account and head to the left-hand panel. Click Opportunities to open your pipeline view. Here you'll see your stages laid out as columns. Locate the contact card you want to update under the New Lead column. Click and hold that card, then drag it over to the Consultation Scheduled column and release. That's it. Your opportunity is now in the right stage. This is perfect when you've just confirmed a time over the phone or need to make a quick correction. If you don't immediately see the column you need, scroll sideways in the pipeline view until Consultation Scheduled comes into view. Now let's set up automatic movement when an appointment is booked. Go to Automations from the left panel and choose to create a new workflow. Start from scratch so you have full control and give the workflow a clear name, like Consultation Booking Pipeline Move, so your team knows exactly what it does. Add your trigger by selecting Appointment Status. Then apply a filter so this workflow only fires when the appointment status is new or confirmed. Choosing New Captures. Brand new bookings. Adding confirmed ensures rescheduled or acknowledged appointments are covered too. Save the trigger to lock that in. Next, add an action beneath the trigger and search for Update Opportunity. In this action, select the correct pipeline where your lead lives. Then choose the pipeline stage Consultation Scheduled and set the status to Open so the opportunity stays active. Save the action. To finish, publish the workflow. Use the toggle in the top right to switch from Draft to Publish, then click Save. From now on, any contact who books an appointment that meets your trigger filter will automatically move from New Lead to Consultation Scheduled. No dragging required. To recap, use the manual drag and drop when you need a fast, one-time update, and rely on the workflow to keep your pipeline organized automatically as appointments come in. With both options in place, you'll maintain cleaner data, faster follow-ups, and a more reliable view of your sales process.